Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make chicken corn quiche. Quiche is a French savory tart. First, to make the crust we have to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Then we have to add some butter. Now mix the butter and maida till it forms lumps. Make this till the whole flour forms lumps. Use as much flour as the container in which you will make the pie. Now use ice cold water to make the dough. To make the dough, more butter is required than water. After mixing the dough, it should be somewhat like this. Then cover the dough and put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Now we have taken the dough out of the fridge. Pour a little flour on the surface. Pour flour on the top of the dough. Now start rolling the dough. Make sure that the dough doesn't break in the middle. Do not let the dough be very thick. Should be around this much thick. Then bring out the pan in which you will put it. Coat the whole surface of the pan with butter. This is necessary because if you don't put it, then the dough will stick in the pan and won't come out. Coat the side surfaces as well. Now transfer the dough to your plate. It doesn't have to cover the whole plate, but make sure that there are no holes within the surface. Cut out the excess. poke holes on the dough. This will ensure that it won't fluff up from the surface. But do not poke holes on the side, only on the surface of the dough. Now again cover it up and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. I have taken out the dough after 30 minutes. Now cover the surface with a parchment paper or just paper if you have it. Cover it with rice. It's a way so that the surface doesn't fluff up. Now put this in a preheated oven. Now for the filling, first we have added little oil to the pan. Then we are going to add the filling. First, chopped, when the oil is medium hot, add chopped onion. The onion should be finely chopped. It's one medium sized onion. Keep it on medium flame and add garlic paste or minced garlic to it. One teaspoon is enough. Make sure the onion is finely cooked. Now when the onion is turning slightly golden, add your chicken. It is minced chicken. You can paste the chicken in your mixer. Now when the chicken is cooked, add finely chopped capsicum. Sweet corn if you have it. You can also add mushrooms if you want. Now also add one small grated carrot. Mix them well. Then add salt to it. You don't need to add any kind of sauce to this. Take this much amount of salt. Salt is to taste, so you add the amount of salt you want. Then mix them well and fry all of them together. When all of them are fried properly, we will make the white sauce. After 15 to 20 minutes, take out the pie. Will be looking like this. Now take out the rice from it and again put in the oven for 10 minutes. Now for this recipe, the white sauce needs to be a little liquidish. So add water. We also need to add 1 egg. So add a whipped egg to it. Use a whisk and whisk it properly. You can also use cream and egg here, but since we don't have cream, we are going to make the white sauce from scratch. Mix it properly, then add your filling to this sauce. Make sure the filling is completely coated with the sauce. Cook this in low flame since the sauce has already been cooked. Now after you've taken it out, pour the filling inside the pie. Now the timing for the oven depends on what kind of oven you are using. Take it out from the oven when the pie is slightly golden brown like this. You can also make it in a pressure cooker. Pour the filling so that it covers the whole pie. Now grate 1 cube of cheese on top of it. Completely coat the upper layer with cheese and then put it into the oven again. Cook it till the upper layer becomes golden brown. Now this is how it looks after coming out of the pan. You can see that the cheese has completely melted. Now garnish it with a little chili flakes and a little oregano. And you have your chicken corn quiche. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel for more exciting and tasty dishes.